Stangibelisco here. Just a little update on the fate of my Windows 10 toy, which continues to sit back in the unheated study. But I updated it the other night. It had been a couple of months, maybe a month, since I paid any attention to it at all, and I decided, let's see if I can get this thing to update. Let's see if I can play with this little toy a little bit. Get it to update. Well, it did. It got online and it updated online. And I played with that little toy for 4 hours. It kept restarting, apparently failing to do it properly the first time, failing. I don't know what it was doing. The more perverted among you might imagine what it was doing with itself, but I'll leave that aside. Okay, Stanley, shut up. Shut up about that. But sometimes I think that's what it was doing. Anyway, the point I'm trying to make here is, I got to thinking. They said Windows 10 is the last in the series of operating systems from Microsoft. 8, Windows 8. I guess there wasn't any Windows 9 though, was there? But I remember all the way back to when I worked with disk operating system, DOS. And then there was Windows 3, 3.1, and then there was XP or something like that, and Windows NT and Windows Windows 7, Windows 8, and Windows 9 mysteriously missing, Windows 10, and they say that's where it's going to end. You might see Windows 10.123, but you'll never see Windows 11. Well, 30 years ago, let's see, maybe 20 years ago, would have been, 1997? That was about when I was playing with the disk operating system, and I was writing my first manuscript on a computer. Didn't even really have the internet, then got Windows 3.1 and got a telephone modem and the whole 9 yards. You know the history of it, if you know the internet. The modems that'd make these weird noises and then connect it 56K, and you thought that was lightning fast. 56 kilobits per second. Now we're up to 56 megabits per second and think nothing of it. But that thing took 4 hours to update. God only knows what it was doing. I don't have a clue. But imagine 20 years from now. The things that we can do with computers now. We can make 3D printer renditions. We get 3D printouts. We have computers that have videos like this, which are primitive by comparison to what some people do. All kinds of media online. A complete transition of the meaning of copyright. Video books. 3D video books maybe someday. Surround video. Who knows what will be the case in 20 more years. In the year 2037. 1997 to 2017. What a transition. Windows 10 won't even mean anything. Some people won't even know what it was. Microsoft might not exist. Computers might have 3D surround screens. God only knows what. Steve Jobs might have a vision, but unfortunately he's departed this earth. So I'm going to ask you, and I'm going to leave comments open. What do you think computers will be like in 20 years? Windows 10 or no? How much bandwidth? What kind of bandwidth will we get? What kind of speed will we get? Or will the sun decide to have the fit to end all fits? Create a coronal mass ejection that fries every microchip in the world. Doesn't do anything to CDs, but they'll probably be obsolete. What do we? But barring that, what do you think computers will be able to do? Will we even call them computers? Will they be smarter than we are? Or will they rule us like Colossus in that movie, Logan's Run, or something like that? Or will it be a great benevolent dictator telling us when to go to the bathroom and when to eat? Or what? What? Imagine, if you dare. Comments are open. Stan Gibilisco signing off. Until next time, so long.